Welcome students in the biology class. Hope all of you are fine and safe. Last week we started our second chapter of biology, that is nutrition in animals. We studied about how heterotrophs perform holozoic nutrition. Just to remind you, we will have a short recap. Holozoic nutrition is performed in 5 steps. These are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. Taking in food, that is eating food, is known as ingestion. Breaking down big food particles into smaller one is known as digestion. Digested food is absorbed into the blood, that is known as absorption. The absorbed food is transported all over the body and used to get energy and other work is known as assimilation. And at last, the undigested food is released out of the body, that is known as egestion. Last week we also studied about the nutrition in amoeba. They also perform the same holozoic nutrition. And this week we are going to begin our next topic, that is nutrition in humans, how the humans actually digest the food. We humans also perform holozoic nutrition, that is in 5 steps. Our digestive system is made up of many organs. You can have a look on the screen that these organs are mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus. From mouth to anus, all these organs form a long canal, or you can tell tube or pipe-like structure. It is like a very long canal basically, so it is also known as alimentary canal. There are some other names also like gastrointestinal tract or gut, but in book we are going to study about alimentary canal. From mouth to anus, it is known as alimentary canal. Along with these organs, there are some glands which secrete some enzymes which helps in the digestion of the food. These glands are salivary glands, pancreas, and liver. They play a very important role in the digestion. Let us have a look on the image of our digestive system. You can see this is our digestive system. Salivary glands present in the mouth, then esophagus, stomach, liver, gallbladder, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, appendix, rectum, anus, all these organs are present over there. Below liver, you can see a green colored structure, that is gallbladder. Liver produces digestive juice which is known as bile, and when it produces, after producing the bile juice, it stores the bile juice in the gallbladder. So what is the function of gallbladder? It stores the bile juice secreted by the liver, that's all. And this bile juice is passed on into the small intestine where the complete digestion of the food takes place. So till then the bile is stored in gallbladder. Small intestine, large intestine, rectum. Rectum is just before anus. Anus is the opening through which undigested food is released out of the body. So before releasing, it is stored in the rectum. So today we will begin with the ingestion, the very first step. Ingestion, as you know, ingestion means taking in food or eating food through our mouth. Whenever we put the food into the mouth, as we know, we start chewing it. The process of chewing the food is called mastication. In the mouth, we chew the food. How? We chew the food by the help of teeth. Teeth help us to chew and grind the food. Along with teeth, there is one another thing present in the mouth, that is saliva, which makes the food soft and moist. These saliva are actually the digestive juice which is secreted by salivary glands. This saliva that is secreted by the salivary gland, it helps in the digestion of carbohydrates. Actually, it breaks down the carbohydrates into simple sugar, which is further easier to get digested. Teeth, as we know that humans have different type of teeth, as we are omnivores, so we can eat different type of food. So just for that purpose we have different type of teeth also, that is we have four types of teeth. The names are incisors, canines, premolars and molars. I have even written the number of incisors, canines, molars and premolars present in the mouth. You can see in the picture also. Incisors are the front four teeth of the jaw. As we know, we have two jaw and our lower jaw is movable, which help us to talk and eat. So in the upper as well as in the lower jaw, the front four teeth are known as incisors. Four on the top, four in the bottom. So these are altogether 8. After incisors, there are one teeth just near to the incisors on the upper jaw and on the in the lower jaw. So these are actually 4 teeth which are known as canines, which are little bit sharper, which help us to tear the food, as incisors help us to cut and bite the food. Whenever we eat any, for example, carrot, we always take the bite from the front teeth itself. So that are incisors. And tearing teeth, which are 4 in number, they are known as canines. After canines, there are 2 teeth. After each canine, there are 2 teeth. 2 on one side of the canine and 2 on the other side of the canine. 4 on the upper jaw, 4 in the lower jaw. Altogether 8 premolars are there. Premolars help to grind and crush the food. It helps in the crushing of the food. And at last, 3 on each side of the jaw. Like on upper jaw, in one ending 3 molars, on another ending 3 molars. So altogether 6 on the upper jaw, and on the lower jaw again 3 on one side, 3 on the next side. So 6 plus 6, 12 molars are present. Out of these, the last 4 molars, the last 4 molars are known as wisdom teeth. As we know, human evolution is always going on, and it is said that the newer generation, the upcoming generations, many of the children or many people don't have wisdom teeth nowadays. They are having around 28 teeth only. So that is one new point, but again there are many people who are having all the 32 teeth in their mouth, but few are there who don't have the last 4 molars, that is known as wisdom teeth. So altogether 8 incisors, 4 canines, 8 premolars and 12 molars together form 32 teeth. So that is the process of ingestion, and today I want to wind up so that tomorrow we will continue again by the how that digestion takes place in the stomach, and again about the mouth also. So till then, goodbye.